All right, y'all, let's get straight into it. So coming in at number one is you want to figure out your niche. So in simple terms, your niche is pretty much what type of photography you want to do, whether it be headshots, family photography, wedding photography. So you just need to figure out what type of photography you want to do and what type of client you're trying to attract. Now, I think this is very important and can help you get your first paid shoot much faster versus just not having a niche and kind of just hoping that somebody randomly books. And that usually doesn't work out most of the time when you're just starting out and you're getting a random shoot because maybe you're not even proficient in that type of photography. So I think it's important to figure out your niche first. So once you've done the research and figured out your niche, now you can plan on how to reach that specific market. And that is the key right there. Now you know how to reach these people, just what type of client it is and what they're attracted to, or maybe just building something that attracts that client. So that is key. So tip number two is you want to build a small portfolio. And notice I said small because you don't need a huge portfolio. And this was something that was kind of I guess a limiting belief or something that kind of held me back in the beginning from reaching out to people is I thought I didn't have enough work, and that is far from true. You just need to build up a handful of shoots to show that potential client what you can do. And I think this greatly increases your chances of actually getting a paid photo shoot versus just reaching out to somebody and you have nothing to show them. I mean, think if somebody reached out to you and they were offering you something, some type of service, and they didn't show you that they could do that actual work, you would kind of question it or be kind of iffy about it because you don't really know if that person can do it. So actually showing them that you're proficient in that photography and you've actually done work in that field, I think that greatly increases your chances of getting that person to work with you. And as far as if you don't have a portfolio, this is very simple. All you need to do is reach out to people and do free shoots. And before someone says, oh, free shoots are bad, whatever, if you're a beginner, you just got to kind of scrap out here and do what you can to actually get in the game and start getting paid. Because once you start building something and you have something to show people, then you're going to see that your bookings are going to start to increase because you have actual work to show people and to market to people. All right, so coming in at number three is to build your online presence. And this is also something that is very simple. Just create your online presence on these platforms and try to post consistently. And I don't want to hear the excuse, I don't have work. Okay, so if you don't have the work, do free shoots. You could do shoots of yourself to just kind of show off what you could do and post that work. You could even take, I don't know, pictures of your pets or your kids. Just post and show that you're a photographer that's actually working and can produce good results. We live in a digital age, and social media, I think, is one of the easiest ways to get clients. And it's so easy to build something and put it out there for people to see. So I think if you're a new photographer or a beginner and you're not utilizing social media, I just think you're missing out on a lot of potential clients that you could be working with. And I think one of the best ways to fast track this is to use every single platform. And if you don't know how to set up platforms, or maybe you just don't have the time, you could always hire somebody on a place like Fiverr to set that up for you, or even a social media manager to post your content so you don't have to do it. So if you made it this far, I wanted to let you know about my photography business starter kit, which is a digital product that is for beginner photographers and people that just want to start a photography business. So with this product, I have a lot of digital assets within it. It's going to help you generate clients, how to market yourself, start your website. I even go into pricing, showing you how to price yourself correctly as a photographer. So if you want to check that out, I have a link in the description down below. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please leave a thumbs up, subscribe. I post new videos every single week, and I will see y'all in my next video. Peace.